Prova. Yeah. Hi to everyone, I'm Giacomo Redondi, 3 times world champion in Enduro. My Honda CRF450RX. This year is the new model of Honda. Have an electric start. I use, like you can see, Recluse automatic clutch. Help a lot in the difficult parts, and also 450 is not a really easy bike, and with the Recluse it became more easier. We have a factory suspension. Compared to one normal motocross bike, we use for Enduro a little bit softer suspension, but in the fast part and like motocross track. So I ride like a hard Enduro setting, we can say. For a handlebar, I use the Domino. I really enjoy and take the feeling from the beginning of last year, and I really like these high bars. For the front brake level and the clutch, I use a little bit more higher than the standard, and especially the clutch, but it's my style, so I really feel comfortable like this. And I think I use like standard height of the brake level and the shift bag. This year the bike have a different frame, so we decided to find a new setup with a longer linkage. It's 2 millimeters longer, so the bike is lower in the back, completely 2 centimeters. I really like, especially in the stony parts, and it's more comfortable, the bike, and I can push a little bit more. The rear disc I use full because it's a little easier to break the disc during one enduro race, and with this is more safety. And also I really like the brake. We have Costa foot pegs. More or less are the same level as the standard one, but you have more grip with this one, and also the dirt. You have one big hole inside here. When it's muddy, you don't have the mud and all the dirt in there. The mousse, we use Metzeler. And in the front, normally I use every time new, because I really like to feel the grip a lot in the front tire. In the back, maybe it's a little bit used every time, so I can have more grip. Normally I use the Metzeler soft tire. It can help a little bit because we have too much power in this bike. It's better to have a softer mousse and a soft tire for take the grip. Seat, I use the normal foam, but we make like strides. It's good for when it's muddy, you don't slide a lot, and thanks to Blackbeard, they make a perfect seat for us, for me. This year, like I said before, the bike have a lot more power. After some tests, one good solution with the power of this engine, and we make a little bit more smoother. We change the piston with less compression, and we make a new map. The bike is comfortable in the extreme stuff, and of course when it's fast or motocross track, it's perfect. Last thing of my enduro bike, and especially all the riders must have, is the watch. It's really important during the race, and for don't be late or so early at the time check. It was a pleasure to show you my bike and my secret, and I hope you will follow me on my Facebook, Giacomo Redondi, or Instagram, RedMoto, and see you there.
Hello, my name is Stefano Cenzin. I am the mechanic of Giacomo Redondi in Enduro P. My experience is 27 years in the Enduro class. I like so much work in the same moment with my rider, especially in the race, and follow every minute.
Want a few drinks and smoke a joint, Bubbles? Good.